Okay, so as I was saying, I did my rectangle, and I'm going to show you in my big screen. So this one down here, I crossed out these so you knew we weren't using that one. Okay, because it said 15. So, how many squares cover 1/3 of the rectangle? Okay, well, I'm going to put this back in big screen. Okay, so it looks like we have sorry, you guys can't see it very well. 1, 2, 3 rows. So if we have 3 rows, we need to cover 1 of them. So I'm going to do my little coloring in. Wish I had some crayons to color in. Maybe I should get some. Okay, so I've colored them. So now let's count how many blocks we colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's look. So how many squares did we cover? We covered 5 squares. All right, number 2. A rectangle is divided into same size squares. 1 row covers 1/8 of the whole rectangle. There are 3 squares in each row. How many squares are in the whole rectangle? Okay, do some more drawing. Should get some more paper out, maybe. I think I can I use this? Will you be able to see it? Yeah, okay. A rectangle is divided into the same size squares. 1 row covers 1/8. So we know that we have 8, and it says there are 3 squares in each. So I divided these a little. They don't look equal. It's okay. We get it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. All right. So I drew my. Okay. It says that they covered 1/8. So I knew that as soon as they said 1/8, I knew that we had 8 something. So since it says there's 3 in each, now we know that there's 8 rows and 3 columns. So now we need to color in one of those 8s, which that's not what it's asking for, but I just wanted to show you so we could see. So that's 1/8 shaded because there's 8 rows. All right. So our question, they want to know how many it's all together. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Whew! Could have done that easier, doing 8 times 3. So our answer is C. Number 3. A teacher plans to divide a rectangular bulletin board into equal parts. The teacher wants to make 1 part for each of the 36 students. Okay, which of the following plans should not be used by the teacher? We have A, make 4 rows of 9 parts. B, make 6 rows of 6 parts. C, make 8 rows of 4 parts. Or D, make 3 rows of 12 parts. Okay, well, this is basically asking us, so what 2 numbers can multiply to get us 36? And I need to change this size because it's really big. Okay, so what 2 numbers can get us to 36? So let's see. 4 rows of 9. Well, we know 4 rows of 9 is 36. So that one can't be right because it's asking us not be used. 6 times 6, 36. Not our answer. 8 times 4. Ooh, what is 8 times 4? It is not 36. So 3 times 12 is 36. So it looks like C is our answer. All right. Number 4. How can you represent 6/8 using the rectangle below? Well, let's see. So if I know I have some 8 parts and we know that 6 of them are shaded, or could be 6 rows out of 8. So how could we represent this? Let's see. So we could divide the rectangle into our 8 equal parts. We can divide the rectangle into 8 equal parts and shade 6 of them. Boom, just like that. Number 5, Mark is tiling a square floor. The model below shows how much of the floor he has covered. How many tiles are there needed to cover the whole floor? Guys, we've done this one a lot. All right, let's look. We already have 1, 2, 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to fill in this other side. So if we have 6 on this, it looks like it's split right in half. So if we know this is split, if this is split right in half, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so I can. Ms. Barker apparently cannot draw a line. Okay, well, this is going to have to do. I can't keep it straight. Okay, so we know that we have 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 on this side. So we need to put 3 and 6 on this side because it's split right in half. So now we have how many all together? 6 times 6 is 36 tiles in all, which they already have tiles written there for us, so we didn't really have to write tiles, but that's okay. Okay, now last one. The rectangles below are all the same size. Danny wants to shade 1/3 of each rectangle. How can Danny shade the rectangle in 3 different ways? All right, let's do this. Let's choose a different color. I like this color. Okay, 1/3. So we know we have 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, or 3 columns, sorry. So here's 1/3 of that. And then we have so remember, they don't have to be side by side. That's why I'm doing it this way. My shading is really bad. We'll go with it. And do that. Okay, we need to explain our answer. So, we know, let's see. So, Danny shades 2 parts to equal 1/3 shaded because there are 6 parts in all and 2 of those shaded parts equals 1/3 of the rectangle. That one was a little tough to explain your answer. It's easier to show in pictures on that kind of question, but I hope you still understood it. And if you have any questions, please, 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 please reach out to me, okay? So look for your assessment on, I think, next Tuesday. So you will see your assessment on Tuesday. And then we're going to have something a little bit different after that, and I will explain that a little bit next week. Your Ready Practice math book that you guys have at home, you can work on this lesson in your book. Also, it's lesson 33. Will help you understand this stuff a little bit better, okay? So, all right, well, have a great rest of your day, guys, and see you soon. Bye.